And welcome to the Naked WordPress, and in this issue we're going to be covering creating a load balance bucket, which means you can then distribute your media from Google's content delivery network. I'm going to try and get through it a bit quicker because it's like 20 to 11 and got work early in the morning. Right, so without further ado, first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a load balancer. See it there under network services and create load balancer. HTTP from internet to my VMs. I'm going to call this RMD LB IP. That'll do. Backend configuration bucket. Create a backend bucket. I'm going to call this RMD bucket 1 because I noticed one pop up called RMD bucket a moment ago. Let's have a look. No buckets here. Create one. In the next lesson, we put a subdomain in here, but that's when you're doing the HTTPS load balancer. For now, I'm just going to call it RMD bucket 2 will do. And then continue. And then this I've had, it's only been happening over last hour. I reckon Google's having a little bit of a glitch, so I just click that, then click back here. I'm going to choose Europe because my website is listed in London because I'm in Ramsgate, standard. Continue, fine grained, continue, create. Just wait for that one moment, it shouldn't take long. Bucket is empty, we know that. RMD bucket 2, select. Right, enable Cloud CDN, create. Then we're going to do front end configuration. I'm just going to call this RMD front. We're going to create an IP address. Now, be aware, if you reserve IP addresses, they build whilst they're not in use. So make sure you don't have them start doing nothing. RMD static IP will do. You can put notes there for if anyone else needs to know where it is. But generally, a good practice is within the name because it's not really important except for identifying it. Once that's reserved, we're going to click create. This will take a moment to work, so as you can see here, I've got another one open, and we're going to create what's called a service account key. And what that allows is for WP Stateless, the plugin that you use, to access. As we can see, we've got one here at the moment, so I'm going to do is delete that quickly to set up a new one for you. Delete. Deleted one bucket as well, we're told, so I'm going to refresh the page just to make sure there's no sort of conflict. Get rid of that again. Alt and T screencastify means hide tools. Obviously not working. Right, so create credentials, service account key. Call this RMD. Let's see how many we've got there. Serve one will do. Create. Then we're going to select a role, which again, for WP Stateless means storage admin. You can add other conditions and other roles, but for the purpose of this exercise, don't bother. Right, create key, JSON there. Make sure I ain't got any other set open. No. Create. Let that quickly go down. That's just pops up on the other screen. Right, click done. Oh, if you do need to have a rekey certificate, you can just delete it here, create a new key, and then put that back in here. There, should I say. Let's see where we're at. So we've got that as credentials are there. So now what we need to do is go back. Let's have a look. Network services. Just keep this open, see your bucket name in a moment. Look. Storage bucket name. This is what we're going to put. Copy, storage bucket name is there. Ensure we put stateless because then that means there's no media saved whatsoever. It's offloaded. RMD bucket 2 we can see there. The JSON we just downloaded. Copy all that. Get it. Show that. And then paste that there. So we've got that selected. We've got this. We've got this. Right. So that at the moment is where it will be. Show that again. Save changes, and then everything appears to have gone correct. So we haven't had any error messages. So what we're wanting to see now is this. As we can see at the minute, is storage API. So we'll delete that permanently. Okay, and then add new. Select files. Let's find some I haven't put up yet. That'll do availability. We'll see a picture appear here. Doing well. HTTPS storage googleapps.com. Go back into Google, check the bucket to make sure it is indeed working. Good sign soon as you see, right, RMD bucket 2. See the usual WordPress structure now, 01, and then availability, which is there. Now, another thing, just that you already have, before you do this, you've got 150 images or whatever, and you think, yeah, but now what about all my other images? Well, stateless settings, and all you would do there is you would just sync it, regenerate all stateless images, blah, blah, blah. But if you didn't, like say you've got them all there, once you've set that up, go into here, run, may take a while, may not. But as you can see, that's how easy it was. We set up a load balancer, a bucket, a service account key. We put the service account key into here, and we put a bucket name into there, and that's all there is to that. It's that simple, really. So if you've got any questions or positive comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, or pop along and find us on here and start posting some of your stuff. Show us what you're doing with WordPress and Google Cloud Platform. Thank you for watching. Bye.